How to create favorites list in WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application, and before that, make sure that the application is updated. If not, update it from your Play Store. After that, open up the application and make sure that you're logged in with your WhatsApp account. Now, once you land in your chat page here, scroll or refresh this page, and at the top there you will get four options as all, on read, favorites and groups. From there, tap on favorites. Now here you can add the contact to your favorites. So simply tap on this button on your interface that says add to favorites. Now from here, select the contact that you would like to add to your favorites. You can select multiple contacts, and once you're done, simply tap on this tick mark from the bottom right corner. And with that, you have created the list of favorite contacts in your WhatsApp. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.